So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yoker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can download and install HyperTerminal for Windows 10 and Windows 11. So first of all, open the Chrome browser on your PC. Now here search for HyperTerminal. Now here click on this link. Now here under HyperTerminal, click on download free trial. Now here click on download HyperTerminal. This says unverified download blocked. Click on it. Now here click on download unverified file. And this will download HyperTerminal. Now here run the setup. Click on yes. Now here click on next again. Now here select I accept. Click on next. Click on next again. Click on proceed. And this will start installing HyperTerminal. Click on OK. Now click on finish. And this will install HyperTerminal. Let's launch it. Press Windows key. Now search for HyperTerminal. Now this is the HyperTerminal. Press enter. Click on continue trial. Here click on no. Now as you can see here, HyperTerminal is launched. So this I can download and install HyperTerminal for Windows 10 and Windows 11. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.